Hey, so if your LDPlayer screen is flickering or flashing, yeah, that can get really annoying fast. The good news is there are a few simple fixes that usually solve it. Alright, first, open LDPlayer settings and go to Advanced Settings. Switch the graphics rendering mode between OpenGL and DirectX. One of them usually stops the flickering. Next, update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers are one of the main causes of screen flickering. Now, lower your resolution and DPI in LDPlayer settings. Higher display settings can sometimes cause instability. Okay, so right-click the LDPlayer shortcut, go to Properties, then Compatibility, and disable full screen optimizations. Also, make sure LDPlayer is using your dedicated GPU. Go to Windows Graphics Settings and set it to High Performance. If you're using overlays like screen recorders or game boosters, try turning them off. They can sometimes cause flickering issues. And yeah, make sure LDPlayer is updated. If the flickering still happens, reinstall it fresh to fix any bugs. So yeah, those are the main fixes for LDPlayer screen flickering. Try them out, and your display should be stable again.